Let's take a look at how we can use R to construct a histogram. I have opened RStudio and have prepared a script for us to use. Histograms are for use with quantitative data. I have been analyzing data from the Titanic disaster, so continuing with that data set, let's look at the distribution of passenger ages. As always, I need to make sure that my data are read into an R object, so I'll do that now. We use the hist function to create a histogram. I am using 3 arguments, which is all that you really need to create a basic histogram. First, we tell the hist function what variable we want to display. The age variable is in the Titanic object, so I'm going to use the syntax Titanic $age. Next, I label the horizontal axis as age in years. Quantitative data involve a level of measurement, so we should indicate the level of measurement somewhere on our graph. It can be on the appropriate axis, as I have done here, or it could be in the title. Speaking of titles, let's give this graph a title using the argument main. Sensibly enough, I titled this Ages of Passengers on the Titanic. Let's make sure that our Files and Plots pane is a good size for displaying this graph. And then let's run the hist function. Here's the histogram. The mode is in the low 20s. There are some children on board, but not too many people in their 70s and 80s, so that the distribution has a slight positive skew. This graph is now ready to export for use in a report of our data analysis. Pretty simple, isn't it? Go give it a try.